Hi, I'm Jason Wigbaldi with Roden House Incorporated out of Grand Rapids, Michigan, and today we're at a beautiful job site in central Michigan on this wonderful February morning. This newly constructed home is small in size but packs a big punch when it comes to energy efficiency, and today I want to show you a few of the parts, pieces, and components that went into the design of the building envelope that make this an incredibly energy efficient home. To combat the effects of thermal bridging through the wood studs, the designers of this home utilized a product from Hunter Panels called Xci Ply. Xci Ply is a panelized solution that integrates both the layer of plywood sheathing along with a rigid layer of polyiso insulation, polyiso providing a very high R value per inch of thickness. In this particular job, an 1.5 inch thick polyiso layer was utilized with the plywood outboard of the insulation. And what that layer of plywood does is provides a continuous nailable surface for the siding. Another benefit to the exterior plywood outboard of the rigid polyiso insulation is that all of the air barrier material could be properly applied and every door and window opening could be properly flashed right back to the framing members. To attach the Xci Ply to the structure, Hunter sells and markets the perfect attachment solution called the SIP screw, available in different thread and drill tip types for either wood, masonry, or steel structures. In addition to the layer of 1.5 inch thick polyiso that continuously wraps this structure, the designers also integrated insulation in the stud cavities of the wall. And again, the combination of all this insulation creates for an extremely energy efficient building envelope, so much so that the homeowner can now heat this home with a small wood stove. For more information about the great insulation solutions from Hunter, check out www.hunterpanels.com.